Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janae Desiree. Yep, you heard it, Janae Desiree. And in today's video, it's a little different. I decided to record me doing some soft locks. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do. I have no idea why. I just love locks when it comes to locks in general, like soft locks, butterfly locks, traditional locks. I love all type of locks. So right now I'm just parting her hair off. I don't know how many she had. Yeah. This is a life changer. She ended up getting 36-inch soft locks. And let me tell y'all, when Barbie Boss came out with the whole already pre-extended soft locks, a game changer. Because I was a stylist. I was a stylist who was extending locks and buying hair. And I was spending money for no reason, in my opinion, when they could have already came out with extended locks. And I was so happy when they came out with the extended locks. So what I do is, like everyone else, I crochet the locks in, and then I go back and wrap. Usually I will go back, I will part and wrap, but with this client, she didn't have hair and I had to go buy hair, because I include hair with my 36-inch soft locks, and it's included in your price. I had already parted her hair off. So yeah, right here I'm just parting her hair. Crocheting the locks in, because her hair is already parted off.
Never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch.
So I'm not gonna show the whole thing of me crocheting her hair in. If you want, I can go and make a whole nother video with another client on how I crochet the hair in, but there's a lot of videos on YouTube where girls show how they crochet their locks in. So you can go find another video, or I can do it for you. And then my storage got full on my phone, so I had to go and just turn it off recording. And then I jumped into doing a live on Facebook and Instagram. So the scenery might change, like it might zoom in, I think. But that's a good thing, because y'all will see me rap in just a second. Alright, now that it's zoomed in, this is me rapping. With this client, as you can tell, she had her hair lightened on the ends and her roots were dark. Her hair is dark and not blonde. So I had to make sure I wrapped tightly around her locks, just so her hair won't slip out. Some of them kind of did start slipping, but I had pushed it back up and wrapped more. The hair that I used to wrap in is spring twist hair. I don't really care for water wave hair when it comes to doing my soft locks. I don't know why, I just don't care for them. Now butterfly locks is another story, but soft locks I would prefer spring twist hair. It's more fluffier and it just blends better with the locks more. So I just wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap, and when I get towards the end with a little bit of hair left, I braid, like a plait kinda, with leftover hair, and then I take some nail glue and I'll put it on the ends to make extra security so it won't slide. And right here, it's kind of going fast, but that's what I'm doing right here. I'm braiding right in here. Probably can't see, well, you can't see, but I'm braiding it, and I pushed it up to make sure it was secure. And then I'm taking another piece just for extra security, like a really small piece, to be like, okay, this is secure, it's not going anywhere. So that's really it. That's how I do my soft locks. Not really a big deal. The same thing over and over in her whole head. So yeah, I'm really not going to show the whole head because, like I said, it's repetitive. Oh, I'll catch you all in my next video, and at the end I will have the end results on how her hair came out. If you all have any questions on any type of hair I use, my favorite spring twist hair that I use, then you can just leave it down below in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on. Percocet.